Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Human in the Loop AI, partnering with machines for smarter, safer solutions. Imagine AI as a super fast, super smart assistant, but even the best assistants need guidance. Human in the Loop AI, HITLI, is exactly that. A strategy where humans actively participate in the AI's learning and decision-making process. It's not about machines replacing us, but about us partnering with machines to make them smarter, safer, and more reliable. Think of it like a new driver, AI, with an experienced instructor, you, in the passenger seat, ready to jump in. So, what does this loop look like from a developer's perspective? It's a continuous cycle. 1. I makes a decision, prediction. Asterisk your AI model tries to solve a problem. E.g., is this email spam? Or, what's in this picture? Single quote. 2. Uncertainty, error flagged. Asterisk if the AI isn't confident in its answer. Say, less than 70% sure. Or it encounters something completely new. It asks for help. This is a rule you, as a developer, would program. 3. Human intervenes. Asterisk a human expert reviews the AI's decision or the tricky data. They correct it, provide the right answer, or give valuable feedback. 4. AI learns and improves. This human input is fed back to the AI model, which then learns from its mistakes or expands its knowledge for next time. It's like a student getting corrected by a teacher and then studying harder. The system continuously gets better. Even powerful AI isn't perfect. Here's where it often struggles, and why developers design systems to ask for human help. Ambiguity and nuance. Is this social media post funny or offensive? AI might miss subtle social cues or sarcasm. Rare scenarios. Edge cases. Asterisk AI trains on what it sees often. A truly unique event? It's stumped. Like a self-driving car encountering a parade of unicycles. Ethical judgments. Should we prioritize speed or safety in this specific situation? AI has no inherent moral compass. Common sense. Asterisk I doesn't understand the world like we do. It doesn't know that if you drop a ball, it falls, unless explicitly shown. New trends, data drift. The world changes. New slang, new threats. AI needs updates to stay relevant, and humans provide that context. Humans aren't just correcting errors. We're bringing unique strengths that AI can't replicate. Domain expertise. Asterisk doctors understand medicine. Lawyers understand law. This deep, specialized knowledge guides the AI. Intuition and creativity. Asterisk we can spot patterns or come up with solutions AI hasn't been programmed for. Often through gut feelings. Empathy and ethical reasoning. Asterisk we can ensure AI decisions are fair, unbiased, and aligned with human values and societal norms. Adaptability. Asterisk we can quickly grasp new, unforeseen situations and provide solutions on the fly, helping the AI adapt faster than if it had to learn purely from data. As developers, we design the tools and interfaces for these experts to easily contribute their superpowers. Where would a developer typically encounter or implement HITL in practice? Data labeling. Asterisk building a new image recognition AI? Humans label thousands of photos. This is a cat, this is a dog. To teach the AI what things are, you'd build the labeling platform. Content moderation. Asterisk I flags potentially harmful content, spam, hate speech. But humans review borderline cases to ensure accuracy and context, especially important on social platforms. Medical diagnosis. Asterisk I can analyze scans for anomalies, but a doctor always makes the final diagnosis, especially for complex or rare conditions. autonomous vehicles, *I drives. But humans monitor and take over in tricky, unknown situations, providing critical real-time feedback, customer support chatbots. If a chatbot doesn't understand a complex query, you, as a developer, would design it to seamlessly hand the conversation over to a human agent, learning from the interaction. Implementing HITL AI brings massive benefits to your applications and business. Higher accuracy, by catching AI errors and clarifying uncertainties, the overall system becomes much more reliable and precise. Faster learning and improvement, human feedback is gold for AI. It learns and improves quicker than trying to figure things out alone. Accelerating your model's maturity, increased trust. Users are more likely to trust an AI system that they know is overseen by humans, especially in sensitive areas like finance or healthcare. Ethical and responsible AI. Humans can steer the AI away from biased or unfair decisions, making your applications more ethical and compliant with regulations. Robustness in edge cases. That weird, rare situation the AI never saw? A human can explain it, making your AI more robust and less prone to unexpected failures. While powerful, implementing HITL isn't without its considerations for a developer. Cost and scale. Humans are expensive. How do you efficiently integrate them without breaking the bank? You'll need good tooling and smart rules for when to involve a human, e.g., only for low-confidence predictions. Latency. If every decision needs human review, your system will be slow. Designed for human only when absolutely needed to maintain speed. Bias from humans. Humans also have biases. Ensure your reviewers are diverse, well-trained, and adhere to clear guidelines to avoid introducing new biases into your AI. Developer's role. You'll build the easy-to-use tools for humans to give feedback. Define the rules for when AI asks for help, and create the data pipelines that feed this feedback back into the AI model for retraining. Measuring impact. How do you know your HITL strategy is working? You'll need metrics to track accuracy improvements and human efficiency. Human-in-the-loop AI isn't about human limitations or AI's shortcomings. It's about combining the best of both worlds: the speed, scale, and analytical power of AI with the intuition, ethics, and adaptability of humans. As developers, embracing HITL means building AI systems that are not just intelligent, but also responsible, trustworthy, and truly impactful. We are the architects of this powerful partnership, ensuring that AI serves humanity better by working alongside us, not instead of us. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.